Hello students, today we will learn grammar chapter 4 determiners continue. So we have completed the explanation of this chapter. Today we will start exercise and some more detailed explanation also is there, little one, that also I will explain. So we will see today page number 37, exercise A. Choose the correct word or phrase from the brackets to complete the sentences below. So children, before we will start this, I will read it for you. I request you all please open page number 37, and as we are going to read this exercise, please pay attention. Afterwards you can write this exercise from in your textbook and notebook also. So number 1, I have plenty of money in the bank. Here you are having each sentence is bracket words. So from the bracket you have to choose the correct word and you have to fill the blank. Number 2, there is too little food in the fridge. I'll make an omelette. 3, how much is the cost of this book? Number 4, it rained heavily in Goa, but there was no rain in Diu. 5, please bring me 10 mangoes from the fruit shop. 6, there are 3 shirts in this suitcase. So children, this was exercise A. Now we are having little explanation, distributives. So I am going to read it for you and I will explain you also. You can see on page number 37 last lines, distributives. We use every and each before a singular noun to talk about a whole group. Every is used to refer to all the people, everyone. Each is used to talk about everyone in a group, but as individuals. So here we are having two distributives, determiners, every and each. So before singular noun we can use this, and every and each before a singular noun to talk about a whole group we are using. So every is used to refer all person, every, and each we are using for everyone but individually. Now you can turn the paper. We will see the next line. Every generally refers to a large number, 3 or more. So every we are using generally for large number, 3, 4, 5, more than 3 peoples, and each we are using for while talking about smaller groups or even just 2 people. Means for small groups we can use each, or if we are talking about any 2 people, so for that we can use each. We are having here examples. Every student marched past the president's box in the Republic Day parade. Here also you can see every student. So here the large number of a group of students we have used, that is why we have used here every. The Prime Minister shook hands with each student after the parade. So here each students means whoever participated in the parade, that all students we are talking about, but individually we are talked. So there we are using each. Each and every is used for emphasize. So each and every student should dress up properly. So I hope you have understand. Now we will see exercise B. Complete the sentences with every or each. You can also use each and every where necessary. So number 1, I have chocolate cereals for breakfast every morning. Number 2, the teacher checks the uniform of each student after the assembly. 3, the artist gave a finishing touch on each painting before sending it to the exhibition. So I have mentioned here underlined words, so that is the answer. So please write it down afterwards in your textbook. Afterwards you have to copy it in the notebook. Number 4, every or each. Here you can use every also or each also. So from these two, any one you can use. Every or each sportsman in the Olympics hopes to win a medal. Fifth, every or each citizen of a country can contribute to its development. So here each and every, from these two, anyone you can use for the sentence. 6. The success of a project depends on each member of the team. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks with every or all. Remember that every is followed by a singular noun and all is followed by a plural noun or uncountable noun. So here every we are using for singular, all also we can use for plural noun or uncountable noun. So number 1, I ate all the sweets in the box. Here all we have used for sweets, right? It is the plural form of a noun. So there we have written all. Number 2, the children meditate every day. 3, there was a power cut in our area last night. All the lights went out. 4, the school annual day function was a grand success. All the children had attended. Number 5, every drop of rain is precious in the desert. 6, we can reach almost all the countries in the world through the internet. 7, the movie was very popular. All the tickets were sold out in the first hour. 8, she knows every student in the school. So children, here we have completed all 3 exercises. So these all exercises you have to write in your note textbook with pencil and in your grammar CW with pen, and write with beautiful handwriting and learn this all exercise also. Thank you.